Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life.
Hey guys, so today we're walking towards Þórufoss, which is a waterfall, and I'm here with my wife and parents, and it's so beautiful.
I take you there, like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there, back to when we felt like this was forever? Can I take you there? First time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? To when we felt like.
So this was Þórufoss in the winter time. It's getting quite windy now, but we got some good shots, so see you next time. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?